In the kitchen, we've got the stone going in. Counters and backsplashes where they're trying to make it look like a continuous piece. Hey, James.
Hey, good morning, Kevin.
Good morning. So beautiful job with the counters so far. Got the island countertop with the waterfall edge, which is beautiful. Backsplash for you guys today?
Yes, what we're doing now, we're making a manual template for the backsplash so that we can achieve that continuous look.
So that's the big trend, right? This idea that it looks like the stone just kind of wraps up or down the counter?
Yeah, it's a very big trend and it's constantly growing.
Yeah.
What we're seeing now is everybody wants that continuous look.
So nothing easy about a perfect fit, but then when you add in that idea of continuous and matching vein, I presume that makes it even harder.
Yes, to actually achieve that, we need to do two styles of templates. So first thing we do is Andre, he was here the other day, he'll come over and he'll do a laser template on the bare cabinets. So this way we can get a nice scribe for the walls. And then as these guys are doing now, we're doing a manual template so we can test the fitment of the backsplash after the countertops are installed.
You're doing a physical template as well, just so that you can make sure it swings up in place okay?
Exactly, so we can test the fitment and make sure we're not going to scratch anything. Also, so we can mark the vein match. That way we can line them up at the shop and we can make sure that everything's going to flow correctly.
And then when that's done, I presume back to the shop with both the digital and the physical templating?
Yes, we're going to put everything together, get the layout done, get everything lined up, and get it cut. Would you like to come to the shop and check it out?
I would. So that's our kitchen layout?
Yes, what you're looking at is a 2D top view of the countertops and the backsplash. Here we have the sink, here we have the cooktop, and this is the backsplash leading up behind the hood.
And so your job is to align the veining?
Yes, what we're going to do is we're going to take all the pieces, put them together for seam placement and match up the veins here and try to get them to match up as best as possible so we know where we're going to be cutting.
It's a pretty good match right there.
Yeah, it looks really good. So Kevin, we could cut the countertops and the backsplash together on our CNC saw, but because we like to test the fitment and the vein matching, we want to make sure that we do a physical template, bring it back here and cut it on the slab. We mark all the veins on the countertops on the template, then we come back here and line it up. And right about here we have a good vein match.
So sometimes by eye is still the best way.
Yes, that's the way we like to keep our craft.
So how'd you get that nice line picked?
So we have a laser on this machine that'll show the cutter where he's lined up on the template. You can see how he's lined up so tight to the template, but he's not touching the template.
Boy, you really appreciate that fit when you see a piece like that go in all at once. I mean, look at the tolerances you got right there. Nice job.
Yeah, we have a very good vein mat. You can see we have this backsplash going to the countertop, this vein going across the seam of the two countertops, and then running right back up to the backsplash behind the hood.
That is wild. So a very distinctive look. I can tell why people get excited about this.
Yes, this trend is very, very popular, and you can see right when you walk into the room, the quartz that you picked for your countertop running continuously with the veins matching, it's just a huge feature.
Our homeowner's gonna love it. Nice modern look. Thanks, James. Appreciate it. You and all you guys.
Excellent.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.